Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on building a customizable theme toggle using React and CSS variables. In today's digital world, user experience is everything. Imagine you're browsing your favorite website late at night and the bright light mode is straining your eyes. Wouldn't it be great to switch to a soothing dark mode with just a click? That's the power of a dynamic theme toggle. Not only does it cater to personal preferences, but it also enhances accessibility and reduces eye strain. Today, we're diving into how you can implement a seamless and stylish theme toggle in your web applications using React and CSS variables. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, this feature is a must have in your toolkit. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. Before we jump into the code, let's explore the theory behind theme toggles and why they're essential. In React, we leverage the component-based architecture, which is ideal for creating modular and reusable code. This architecture allows us to build a theme toggle that can be easily integrated into any part of your application. We'll be using React state management hooks, particularly useState, to dynamically update the UI, allowing users to switch themes effortlessly. Now, let's talk about CSS variables, also known as custom properties. These are powerful tools for dynamic styling, enabling us to define theme-specific styles that can be updated globally. With CSS variables, we can maintain consistent styling across our application while allowing for easy customization. This approach also supports scoping, which means we can apply unique styles to specific components while inheriting global theme changes. From a user experience perspective, theme toggles significantly enhance accessibility by accommodating users with different visual needs. They also provide customization options, increasing user satisfaction and engagement. Think of popular web applications like Twitter and GitHub, where users can choose a comfortable viewing experience. In enterprise software, theme toggles can align with corporate branding, improving employee productivity. However, implementing theme toggles isn't without challenges. We need to ensure cross-browser compatibility, optimize performance to prevent lags, and efficiently store and retrieve user preferences. Understanding these key concepts will equip you with the knowledge to create a dynamic and engaging user interface. Let's dive into the code and see how we can build our theme toggle using React and CSS variables. We'll start by setting up a basic React application. In our package.json file, we define our dependencies, including React and React DOM. This setup is crucial for our application to run smoothly. Next, in our src2 index.js, we render the main app component to the root element in our HTML. The heart of our application lies in src app.js. Here, we use the useState hook to manage our theme state, starting with light mode. The useEffect hook allows us to update the document's data theme attribute whenever the theme state changes. This attribute is key to applying different styles based on the current theme. We define a toggle theme function, which switches between light and dark modes by updating the theme state. In our JSX, we render a button that calls this function on click, and its label dynamically changes based on the current theme. Moving on to src app.css, we define our CSS variables for both themes. The root selector sets the default light theme styles, while the data theme dark selector applies the dark theme styles. We use these variables to style our application, ensuring consistency and maintainability. The button is also styled to change its appearance based on the theme, providing a smooth transition effect. Finally, in src index.css, we include some global styles for the body and code elements. This setup gives our application a polished look and feel. Now, let's see the code in action. Now that we've set up our theme toggle, let's demonstrate how it enhances the user interface. Imagine you're on a web page that loads in light mode by default. At first glance, the background is white and the text is black, providing a clear and crisp view. As you interact with the page, you notice a button labeled Switch to Dark Mode. With a simple click, the background transitions to black and the text turns white, creating a comfortable viewing experience for low light conditions. This toggle between light and dark modes happens seamlessly, thanks to our React and CSS setup. The button's label dynamically updates to switch to light mode, indicating the current theme and inviting further interaction. This feature not only offers aesthetic appeal, but also caters to user preferences, making the application feel personal and engaging. By providing a theme toggle, we've significantly enhanced the user experience, allowing for effortless customization and improved accessibility. Whether users prefer light or dark mode, they can easily switch with a single click, ensuring a comfortable and satisfying experience. To wrap up, we've explored how to build a customizable theme toggle using React and CSS variables. This feature is a powerful addition to any web application, offering personalization, accessibility, and style. By understanding the key concepts of React's component-based architecture and state management, along with the dynamic styling capabilities of CSS variables, we've equipped ourselves with the tools to create modern, user-centric interfaces. Remember, the implementation of a theme toggle is not just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing the overall user experience and meeting diverse needs. As you continue to develop your skills, consider how these techniques can be applied to your projects, providing users with a seamless and engaging experience. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you found this tutorial insightful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow developers. Until next time, happy coding.